There are many ways to spend an Urumqi evening. One of them is pushing open this door and letting the beat take you in. The backbone of this lively world is an industrial-era steel frame.
Oh, wow. It's like I've wandered onto a film set or something. Oh yeah. Oh, this beta cam. This has to be from the 1970s, I reckon. Ah, and we used to have one of these in our kitchen back in 1984, and my brother had something very similar to this in the 80s. Wow, this really is a home for heirlooms, it seems. 老板你好，欢迎光临 Happy Dog。谢谢。哎，我觉得你这里的设计非常的有特色哈，而且这个房屋挑高很高啊，对，有点像那种旧的工厂。
这本来就是个70年代的旧工厂，
很有原汁原味那种感觉。
啊，对对对，像这个横吊也是70年代的一个产物，还有里面那些灯啊，基本上能不动的东西我们就没有动，都保留下来了。
不错不错，是很难得。
您要吃点东西吗？
哦，要啊。
可以，那您坐，您。
Roughness and refinement face off, yet coexist in harmony. This effortless blending is a metaphor for Xinjiang's inclusiveness.
Wow, this is going to be fun. I haven't had Western food for ages. I'll start with the pizza. Wow, this looks pretty good. Oh, that's good. That's real cheese as well. That's really nice. So I'm going to try the crust. Oh, that's crispy and light. That's beautiful. Okay, a bit of meat. Apparently, this meat has been smoked using apple tree wood for 72 hours before it makes the grade. So this is definitely going to be good. Wow, it's all sort of falling apart already. It's just melt in the mouth. Wow, that's beautifully tender. I can't stop. Let's have a chicken wing. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, these are hot. They're good though. And last but not least, I'm going to have just a little bit of the fruit salad. Well, it's certainly fresh, but a little bit different. I think, in summary, I can say that this is probably the most authentic Western cuisine that I've ever had here in Xinjiang. It has, though, been tweaked just a little bit to cater to local tastes. For example, there's just a hint of sweetness in this pizza. The chicken wings are probably spicier than we would ordinarily have. And the fruit salad has been drenched in local yogurt as opposed to fresh cream. Lovely little local touches that make it stand out from the crowd.
吃的怎么样？还可以吗？
很好吃，你坐啊。我觉得这个很地道的、很正宗的西餐哈。
对，我们是用窑炉烤的，窑炉也是从意大利进口的。
怪不得这个味道真的很香哦。
对对对，也是传统的发面和面，48小时低温醒面，明火烤的，它的味道会很正宗，
严谨。
对，
很好。你放的这个音乐也非常的舒服哈。
其实我们放音乐有很多种，像白天的话，可能我们会更多的放一些 架子、爵士、布鲁斯这些东西偏柔软一点，以符合白天的人的一个状态。然后到了晚上之后，我们就放一些偏摇滚呀、偏硬核一点的东西，对，嗨起来。大家可以白天喝点咖啡，吃个披萨、烟熏肉，跟朋友聊聊天。到晚上，然后可以跟朋友喝点酒，释放一下压力，
就两个不同的风格，两个不同的氛围，
不同的时间段和状态嘛。
我看咱们这里年轻人很多啊。
对，这也是我的一个初衷。我希望这里能聚集很多各种各样的年轻人。
我觉得这里的氛围非常的舒服，而且很混搭哈。对，我的意思是挺有意思的哈。
因为我就是在新疆长大，听着这边民族音乐，然后看那些老的电影。他们那会儿的生活状态就比较自由洒脱，很舒服，然后这对我的影响其实挺深的。我也想要一个自由舒服的一个状态。它其实可能不是一种混搭吧，它更像是一种我对以前产生的一些共鸣。
Food seems to take a secondary role here, and yet it is crucial. It is what underpins this nocturnal ritual.
不错啊，
吉他弹得好。
对呀，那个乐队就是专门在这里，就每天都演。
对，每天都有。
In this old workshop, the legacy of industry, the ceremony of Western cuisine, and local melodies all come together to create a space that allows for a fleeting sense of release. What does fusion really mean? Perhaps it's not just about awkwardly stitching things together, but rather, like this place, it makes you feel that industrial grit, a proper steak, Xinjiang rhythms, and you, all sharing the same room, is the most natural thing in the world.